Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about something that has shaped my entire life. It has allowed me to travel, enjoy life, have experiences, and live a life that I didn't think I could ever live. I want to talk to you about living frugally. Living frugally is not living cheaply. Frugal means smart, making smart choices. My name is Nada, and I help everyday people overcome debt with discipline, encouragement, and motivation so they can build a life of peace, purpose, and provision. Growing up, my family didn't have a lot of money, so I learned to be resourceful and learn how to save money early on. And that became part of who I am, and I've been doing that my whole life up till this day. Number one, frugal isn't cheap, it's being smart. When people hear frugal, they think of sacrifice, of doing without. It's the opposite. It's being smart with your spending so that later on you can actually save for what you really want. Living frugally is just being a smart consumer. Why spend $200 on a handbag when you can spend $20 on a handbag? Remember, you are living frugally so you can realize your dreams. Number two, small savings add up over time. For example, I take my lunch to work every day. I don't spend, $5, $10 buying lunch because that would be $50 a week that I could be saving. So being intentional with what you're doing is going to get you to where you want to go. There's one thing I recommend is to price compare everything. You will quickly find out that there will always be a better price for something. You can shop around or you can just wait. Everything goes on sale eventually. When I started doing that, I realized that my bank account was reflecting what I was doing. So small changes over time add to results. Spend on what you love, save on everything else. I love traveling and I love Broadway shows. Those are my joys in life. I don't care about expensive clothes, pricey cars, luxury items, jewelry, any of those things. I live a simple life so I can enjoy the things that I really like and things that truly bring me happiness. I realize something powerful. Everyone has dreams, but most people don't have money to achieve those dreams, what they really want. Most people don't have the money to enjoy what they really want. Living frugally means I can choose what I value instead of wasting money on things that don't matter. Number four, know your numbers. Now, budgeting is not always fun or exciting, but you need to know what you have as far as debt, how much money you have coming in, and always with those bills add a line for savings. Savings for the things that you really want. If you're overwhelmed, just start tracking everything. See what you're actually spending your money on. Awareness is power. Number five, social media is a big budget killer. You're on your phone, you're scrolling, all these products come across your feed, and you're thinking, oh, I think I need that. No, you don't. Keep on scrolling. I realize a lot of people are going into debt to get those products, and they're never going to realize the dreams that they have. Number six, frugal living helps your future self. This is my favorite part because I can see myself in 5 years realizing my dream of maybe buying that condo on the beach. That's one of my dreams. Living frugally will allow me to get closer to that dream. And that's what I want for you too. You deserve to realize your dreams. If you think frugal living is hard, it's actually not. It actually can be fun. You can make kind of a game out of it. I always look at a product and I'm like, that's a little bit too expensive. I know I can find it for less money. And so it becomes a game of either finding it for less money, Google is your friend, or just waiting a few more days, a week. Everything eventually will go on sale. Let me tell you, it's addictive. It actually can be fun. Once you get used to it, you won't want to live any other way. Living frugally doesn't limit your life. It actually gives you freedom to live the life that you want. If this video inspired you and you would like more tips on living frugally, saving money, budgeting, paying off debt, give this video a like. And let me know in the comments, if money was no object for you, what is your dream? Because you can achieve it. See you next time.